In this video, I will be showing you how you can change the number of calls it shows you at a time on your B900 display panel. So the default setting is 4, but you will notice it becomes a problem if you have more than a few characters to display your information. So for instance, this button, it is meant to show me Ward 2 B13, but it only cuts off at the D because it is set to only show 4 calls at a time. Okay, so that is how the 4 will show. It will show 2 on each side, but now I want to change that so that I can see all the information for each button. So I will use the remote. I will press enter, and I will press enter to switch it on. I'll use the function key, and when the screen shows fun 1, I will change that 1 to a 3 by pressing 3 on the remote. It will now show 3-1. I'll press enter on the remote. That is default 4, so I will just change that to a 2 by pressing 2 on the remote. Once I'm happy, I press confirm. It will tell me setting success, and I can now exit by just pressing the function key until I am back at the home screen. So now when I press the buttons, it will only show me 2 calls at a time, but it will show me all the information. So that will show now B2, Ward 2, B13, and this will show me bed 1. Okay, so it will now show 2 calls at a time instead of 4, but you can use the 10 characters. And that is how you change the display calls, how many you want to show at a time on your B900 display panel. Thank you very much for watching.